Hi. Hi, this is Armadillo Andy, and today I'm going to show you a great new product, which you can see I am wearing. It is the RealShield by Racing Optics. Racing Optics is the company that makes laminated tear-offs, and they make the laminated windshield tear-offs that's used in NASCAR when they're trying to clear the windshield of oil and debris. Here's how the shield works. It's got a protective coating over it, which you just simply peel off, gives you a nice clear shield like you see here. And then there are two tabs which can be peeled off that have a sticky material. Then you take your favorite racing cap. Here's our ball cap from Pacific Raceways. You slip the RealShield over the visor. Like so, and then you attach it on either side so that you have frontal protection. Now this shield will protect you from almost everything except for some side intrusion, so you might still want to wear a mask. This is very helpful though when you're working, you're breathing hard, such as working around your car in the pits. This would be the perfect solution, or when you're social distancing and talking with a friend or friends at the races. This product just came in. It's going to sell for $10.95. We will have it this weekend at the racetrack, and I think it's a great option for those that don't like wearing a mask. Thank you very much. We'll see you at the races.